Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with irrigation. So the first question, the fertility of soil is adversely affected when the pH value is more than. So the option A 7, option B 9, option C 11, option D 14. So the correct answer is option C 11. Next question, the average delta of rice crop is nearly option A 30 centimeter, option B 60 centimeter, option C 120 centimeter, option D 150 centimeter. So the correct answer is option C 120 centimeter. So next question, optimum depth of core watering for rice crop is option A 13.5 centimeter, option B 16.5 centimeter, option C 19 centimeter, option D 21 centimeter. So the correct answer is option C 19 centimeter. Next question, if core depth for rice is 19 centimeter, the core period is 14 days, then outlet factor for this will be option A 437 hectares per meter cube per second, option B 637 hectares per meter cube per second, option C 837 hectares per meter cube per second, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B 637 hectares per meter cube per second. 15. The duty of crop is 432 hectares per meter cube per second. When the base period for the crop is 100 days, delta for the crop will be option A 132, option B 200, option C 464, option D 864. So the correct answer is option B 200. Next question, if wheat requires a total depth of 34.56 cm in 160 days, then outlet factor will be option A 2000 hectares per meter cube per second, option B 4000 hectares per meter cube per second, option C 6000 hectares per meter cube per second, option D 8000 hectares per meter cube per second. So the correct answer is option B 4000 hectares per meter cube per second. Next question, the water consumed in irrigation when compared with the total water used for all purpose in our country is about option A 30%, option B 50%, option C 70%, option D 90%. So the correct answer is option D 90%. Next question, 1 ton of wheat produced may consume water as much as option A 100 tons, option B 500 tons, option C 2000 tons, option D 4000 tons. So the correct answer is option C 2000 tons. Next question, water required in producing 1 ton of rice is in order of option A 100 tons, option B 500 tons, option C 1000 tons, option D 4000 tons. So the correct answer is option D 4000 tons. Next question, water required in producing 1 kiloliter of proof alcohol by a distillery unit is order of option A 120 to 170 kiloliter, option B 20 to 50 kiloliter, option C 10 to 20 kiloliter, option D 2 to 5 kiloliter. So the correct answer is option A 120 to 170 kiloliter. Next question, water required in producing 1 ton of proof steel by steel production plant is in the order of option A 200 to 250 tons, option B 50 to 100 tons, option C 10 to 50 tons, option D 1 to 5 tons. The correct answer is option A 200 to 250 tons. Next question, the water demand of the petroleum refinery in kiloliter per ton of crude oil refined in the plant is in the order of option A 1 to 2, option B 5 to 10, option C 10 to 20, option D 50 to 100. So the correct answer is option A 1 to 2. Next question, 100 liters of atmospheric air contains 2.5 grams of water vapor at 30 degrees Celsius and 100 liters of air requires 4.5 grams of water vapor for complete saturation at 30 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity will be the approximately equal to option A 16%, option B 46%, option C 56%, option D 66%. So the correct answer is option C 56%. Next question, temperature lapse rate that is decrease of temperature with height in the troposphere is in the order of option A 1.6 degrees Celsius per kilometer, option B 4 degrees Celsius per kilometer, option C 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer, option D 14 degrees Celsius per kilometer. So the correct answer is option C 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Next question, precipitation occurring in the droplets of size more than 10 mm and fall speed of more than 20 meter per second will be in the form of option A rain, option B hail, option C slit, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B hail. Next question, rain gauges installed in the areas which becomes increasable during the rainy season is option A Simon's type, option B siphon type, option C tipping bucket type, option D weighing bucket type. So the correct answer is option C tipping bucket type. Next question, mass curve of precipitation is produced by the rain gauge of option A Simon type, option B tipping bucket type, option C storage type, option D natural siphon type. So the correct answer is option D natural siphon type. Next question, minimum percentage of recording gauge in the total network of rain gauge as recommended by Indian standard is option A 10%, option B 20%, option C 50%, option D 90%. So the correct answer is option A 10%. Next question, average annual rainfall of station A, B and C are 170, 180 and 190 centimeter respectively. In 1990, the station B becomes inoperative. The station A and C recorded annual rainfall of 170 and 180 centimeter respectively. The annual rainfall of station B for 1990 would then be estimated as option A 175 centimeter, option B 176 centimeter, option C 178.2 centimeter, option D 180 centimeter. So the correct answer is option A 175 centimeter. Next question, if absolutely no error is allowed in the measurement of mean rainfall in the catchment, then optimum number of rain gauge station required would be option A 0, option B infinity, option C any value, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B infinity. Next question, how many additional gauges are required in the catchment if the error allowed in the estimation of mean rainfall is to be reduced by the half than the present one? Option A equal to its present number, option B twice the present number, option C 3 times that of the present number, option D 4 times that of the present number. So the correct answer is option C 3 times that of the present number. Next question, most accurate method for estimating mean rainfall over the catchment is option A arithmetic mean method, option B Theisen polygon method, option C isohedral method, option D unit hydrograph method. So the correct answer is option C isohedral method. Next question, the average annual rainfall over the whole of India is estimated as option A 51 centimeter, option B 119 centimeter, option C 143 centimeter, option D 167 centimeter. So the correct answer is option B 119 centimeter. Next question, double mass curve technique is followed to option A check the consistency of rain gauging records, option B find the average rainfall over the number of years, option C find the number of rain gauges required, option D estimate the missing precipitation value. So the correct answer is option A check the consistency of the rain gauge records. Next question, index of wetness X and the rainfall deficiency Y at the place are related by the equation option A x equal to 100 minus y percentage, option B x equal to 10 plus y percentage, option C x divided by y equal to 100 percentage, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option A x equal to 100 minus y percentage. Next question, through DAD analysis, the maximum average depth of rainfall over 1000 kilometers area caused by one day term in front of to be 22 centimeter. For the same area, the maximum average depth caused by a 3-day storm will be Option A more than 22 centimeter, option B less than 22 centimeter, option C equal to 22 centimeter, option D more or less than 22 centimeter depending upon the type of rainfall. So the correct answer is option A more than 22 centimeter. Next question, through DAD analysis the maximum average depth of rainfall over 1000 km square area caused by a one-day storm is found to be 18 centimeter. For the same duration storm, the maximum average depth of 5000 km square area will be option A more than 18 centimeter, option B less than 18 centimeter, option C equal to 18 centimeter, option D more or less 18 centimeter depends upon the type of rainfall. So the correct answer is option B less than 18 centimeter. Next question, DAD analysis for the catchment would be indicate that option A, for a given area the maximum average depth of rainfall increased with the increase in storm duration. Option B, for the given area the maximum average depth of rainfall decreases with the increase in the storm duration. Option C, for the given duration storm the maximum average depth of rainfall increases in the increases of the area. Option D, maximum average depth of rainfall has no relation with the either duration or area. So the correct answer is option A, for the given area the maximum average depth of rainfall increases with the increase in the storm duration. Next question, for a given duration storm the highest rainfall occurring somewhere near the storm center in the basin and the average rainfall P and the entire basin of the area A as related as P divided by P naught is equal to option A K exp into minus A whole power n, option B exp into minus k into a power n, option C minus k a power n, option D a constant where k and n are constants. So the correct answer is option B exp into minus k into a power n. Next question, the maximum rainfall depth 10 centimeter occurring in a 6 Hz at the Delhi is focused to have the recurrence interval of 100 years. The probability of 6 Hz rain of magnitude equal to or greater than 10 centimeter occurring in the next year is option A 0.01, option B 0.02, option C 0.33, option D 1. So the correct answer is option A 0.01. So next question, the probable maximum precipitation at the basin or a station is option A the greatest rainfall for the given duration that is physically possible, option B an impossible large rainfall of given duration, option C a rainfall of given duration that can occur with the written period of 1000 years, option D a rainfall of the given duration that has the maximum probability occurrence. So the correct answer is option A the greatest rainfall for the given duration that is physically possible. Next question, snowpack having the maximum snow density is option A freshly falling snow on the ground, B snowpack of the last 245 hours, option C snow packed in glaciers, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option C snow packed on the glaciers. Again we will see next video. Thank you.